Today is a special day. Today is not just a special day. Today is the first day of many special days. You see, in Alberta, we have a thing called winter. And winter takes up roughly half the year. A lot of animals sleep to avoid it. The ones lucky enough to have wings head south. And cars, they also hibernate. They spend the winters in shops under covers. Today is the day hibernation ends. Don't have a clear plan for today. I just know that I'm going for a drive. You see, if you find something interesting, you stop. Otherwise, you keep going. It's in a valley, and this wind basically always blows the snow away, so you have a naked lake. But what makes the lake kind of especially unique is there's little gas bubbles that freeze in the lake. So you get this ice with all these little bubbles in it. It's actually pretty cool. You need the right conditions and stuff, but we'll have a look at it. Nice. That's pretty neat. Alright, made it to Abraham Lake. It's always pretty windy here, and that's why the snow is blowing off the lake, but it's pretty cool. Ice is still a beautiful day to take the E9 out. Wanted to go to the Columbia ice fields in a cool car as well. This is another time where it's cold and covered in snow, but it's pretty cool, I think. Very cool, I think. Very cool. It's the Columbia ice fields. Hey. There's definitely something about driving in the mountains. This stuff just does not get old. Super impressive. Here's a big waterfall. Just gonna hike up there now. Very cool. And of course, oh yeah, definitely can't get enough of this car. Such a good cruiser. Alright, well, let's see the waterfall. So I see a little creek. Nice. So, as usual, I'm always super prepared. Shoes.
Very slippery trail. You can tell someone actually just slid down here. Oh boy. But check that out. Very cool. All right. Well, yeah, going down is definitely going to suck. Oh, this is All Stones Creek. Pretty cool. Of course, there's a culvert. Nice. Still on All Stones Creek. Apparently there's a waterfall down here. Just admiring some of the crazy rock formations. Very cool. That actually looks hilarious. So I'm just parked in Nordegg. Gonna go to the abandoned mine. It's an old trestle here. Pretty cool. Just followed the old railroad track. And boom. Here it is. Looks like a weigh scale.
Of course, it's just thawing out now, too.
It's a fan. The Canadian Buffalo steel plate fan. Huh. Big shafts. Obviously there's some big motors here. This is so cool. Electrical panel. Wow, this is cool. I don't know why I like abandoned stuff so much. These stairs, everything's so solid. Good quality stuff. Yes, quite the tower. There's a ladder that goes up there. Obviously this bracing is missing. So cool. This girl's so crazy. Little work area here. Obviously a little wash bin. Old wooden workbenches. So cool. Who knows, maybe people had their lunch here back in the day. Iowa, USA. That is massive. It is a handbrake then, yeah.
Yeah, that's your handbrake.
It's just big brake shoes. Oh, that's a dial. Okay, that makes sense. This spins here next to a little worm gear, and then yeah, some sort of dial. That's cool. Check this out. This is a coal mine little cart turner over machine. That's so cool. Yeah. And then the conveyor belts up into the rest of it. So cool. This is actually really cool. So obviously the little carts get turned over here. The coal goes down through the conveyor belt into obviously the buildings. But the cart, now empty, goes along the tracks here, goes down, and then gets pulled up by a little conveyor belt, or not conveyor belt, conveyor chain system, I suppose. Super cool. We're looking for the coal mine, and I think I'm just gonna follow these tracks. Makes most sense. Just want to find the coal mine entrance. I think that would be cool. So this would have been the old cart repair shop. Man, this is cool.
Whoa.
Obviously big belt. It's funny, this would have been likely a motor or something with the belt, and then it drives other belts which would drive grinders and whatnot. This room would have been like blacksmith, and obviously a lot of heat. All the walls and stuff are covered in steel. Very cool. Oh, scrap. Boilers. Found it. Very cool.